Welcome to Quiz Beacon. There will be 20 questions. 5 seconds to answer. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which vegetable is called king of vegetables? Options are A. Potato, B. Tomato, C. Brinjal, D. Broccoli. Correct answer is C. Brinjal. Question number 2. How long do pumpkins take to mature? Options are A. 1 to 2 weeks, B. 3 to 4 months, C. 6 to 8 weeks, D. 12 to 16 months. Correct answer is B. 3 to 4 months. Question number 3. Which vegetable is the richest source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant? Options are A. Carrot, B. Tomato, C. Spinach, D. Bell pepper. Correct answer is B. Tomato. Question number 4. What vegetable was first used to make the original color for orange crayons? Options are A. Carrot, B. Sweet potato, C. Pumpkin, D. Squash. Correct answer is A. Carrot. Question number 5. Which vegetable is known for causing a condition called bituria? Options are A. Carrot, B. Spinach, C. Broccoli, D. Beetroot. Correct answer is D. Beetroot. Question number 6. What vegetable is highest in vitamin C? Options are A. Carrot, B. Spinach, C. Red bell pepper, D. Broccoli. Correct answer is C. Red bell pepper. Question number 7. Which root vegetable is commonly used to make French fries? Options are A. Carrot, B. Potato, C. Turnip, D. Radish. Correct answer is B. Potato. Question number 8. Which leafy green vegetable is a staple in salads and is known for its high iron content? Options are A. Spinach, B. Kale, C. Romaine lettuce, D. Swiss chard. Correct answer is A. Spinach. Question number 9. What vegetable can be turned into a natural blue dye? Options are A. Spinach, B. Red cabbage, C. Carrot, D. Beetroot. Correct answer is B. Red cabbage. Question number 10. The vegetable aubergine is known by what name in the United States? Options are A. Eggplant, B. Zucchini, C. Bell pepper, D. Cucumber. Correct answer is A. Eggplant. Question number 11. Which vegetable has a variety that's known as the love apple? Options are A. Pumpkin, B. Eggplant, C. Bell pepper, D. Tomato. Correct answer is D. Tomato. Question number 12. What is the primary ingredient in the popular Middle Eastern dip hummus? Options are A. Chickpea, B. Eggplant, C. Tomato, D. Cucumber. Correct answer is A. Chickpea. Question number 13. Which vegetable, also known as lady's finger, is often used in stews and curries? Options are A. Okra, B. Asparagus, C. Artichoke, D. Turnip. Correct answer is A. Okra. Question number 14. Which vegetable is commonly used to make the dish coleslaw? Options are A. Carrot, B. Cabbage, C. Radish, D. Celery. Correct answer is B. Cabbage. Question number 15. What's the world's most expensive potato? Options are A. Purple Peruvian, B. Yukon Gold, C. La Bonnotte, D. King Edward. Correct answer is C. La Bonnotte. Question number 16. The vegetable jicama is known for its crisp texture and is often used in which type of cuisine? Options are A. Mexican, B. Japanese, C. Indian, D. French. Correct answer is A. Mexican. Question number 17. Which vegetable, also known as cilantro, is commonly used as a garnish in various dishes? Options are A. Parsley, B. Basil, C. Coriander, D. Mint. Correct answer is C. Coriander. Question number 18. Which vegetable grows in a pot? Options are A. Carrot, B. Peas, C. Tomato, D. Potato. Correct answer is B. Peas. Question number 19. What's the common name for the long threads of material that grow under the husk of corn? Options are A. Fibers, B. Tassels, C. Strands, D. Silks. Correct answer is D. Silks. Question number 20. What vegetable is thought to keep vampires away? Options are A. Onion, B. Garlic, C. Bell pepper, D. Tomato. Correct answer is B. Garlic. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.